Hey everybody, Dave here with Hive Mind Adventures. We're going to be making a blonde ale, and we're going to be doing about 3 gallons. And while that water's filling up, if you are using tap water like me, what you are going to want to do is treat it with some of those Camden tablets. You only need like 1/4 of a tablet for 5 gallons. So you don't need a lot, and what that does is it gets rid of the chlorine and chloramine in the tap water, and it's going to make your beer taste a lot better. And of course, the other thing that's going to help your beer improve quite a bit is figuring out your brewing water. So we're just looking to bring this up to 165, and we'll add our grain. Just going to stir it up and get all the dough balls out. But overall, I mean, this is a pretty thin mash. It's 4 1/4 gallons of strike water for 6.5 pounds of grain. Okay, so we have our hops laid out here, ready for additions into the boil. We're doing 0.3 ounces, that's 0.1 ounces per gallon. So 0.3 ounces of Warrior, 0.6 ounces of Saphir, and another 0.6 of Saphir. This is at 0, that's at 10 minutes. Alright, so here's the blonde ale. It's been about 2 weeks and a couple of days. So primary fermentation's all done. We're gonna get this bottled up and see how it is in about a week. Alright, so the blonde ale's all done. It's been carbon up for about a week. And I did it to 3.2 volumes of CO2. Got a good fruity nose on it. Not bitter, you know, just like blonde ale should be. Saphir hops at the end there really add a nice fruity bit to it. So until next time, cheers everybody. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff.